And today I'm in Animal Box, and
I'm dumb.
what I'm gonna teach you right now is how to play the game. So first, there's a few rules. CC. Okay, these are all of the skins if you join the community. There's this one. There's this one. This one you can get from like all of these. And so guys, so the first step, you start off like this, but your first weapon is your pickaxe. Now, some people usually are like this. Hiya. But the not new people end up like this. I'm making my pause. I don't really sound like him. Oh yeah, skins, like, dude. My favorite skin has to be Brushy. Yeah. I have a diaper. Yay. There's also capybara. Oh, there's also our new hamster buddy. And it's Christmas, so you don't have the fall one anymore. We have this winter 6-7. And also we have gingerbread lemur. And then for these, there's bundles. I spent $160 on this game. I have this one, and this one. Supporter bundle. But they're actually gonna keep that forever. Oh, right there. Some people actually have knives. I have a katana, but I would have to pull it from right here. I have this, and I have this. But also, I'm gonna teach you one promo code. Promo code is WINLEM. Sorry. Winlem, and then press submit. And that's it. Well, it's a Winlem. And guys, also, there's a few zones that you can go to. There's 99 Nights in the Forest. They just made this, and before that, you to survival. There's Dark Forest that used to be before 99 Nights. Well, that was when 99 Nights was around, but like, we got Horror Maze. Loki, the Backrooms. We got Chaos Country. And we got the mines. And we got the 2 arena and docks. We have A's to be called ABC Studios. I think that's what it's called. We have Speedrun. We have Block Heaven. These are all really cool, but like, the coolest part is there's these underground tunnels that lead you. Different tunnels, and sometimes even secret rooms. You could just exit like nothing was even there. You could just go through. But also there's all of these. So guys, and how do you get the skins? Well, you can get skins from here. Then also, let me tell you a tip. If you guys want to get this skin, you have to go to 99 Nights. You need 3,050 gems. The rest of these upload every single week. And this was the first this is my first video skin. And this was before I started YouTube. I was able to pick it up and then get infinite coins. And then I used to do that and I ended up with 14 trillion coin. I spend it all on, you know, glitch. But guys, also there's a crown if you want to get free gems. As you can see, just how many gems I have and just how many coins I have. Yeah, I have a little. But yeah. I'll show you my favorite skin. And it's this one. So guys, we're gonna start a party in a few seconds. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, warmed up. Trying to get it disappear right now. Yes, and the snowman. There was also the turkey. And you used to be able to get the plate, flying plate. On snowman, you couldn't really get anything. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you